Okay, so today there's a couple things I want to say about the formatting of our short assignments and how to make those works cited citations. So first of all, make sure that you're in Word. Word is available to you through Office 365 if you're a student. So you can call our school technological help desk. So same place you'd call if you had Blackboard question, that kind of thing. But first thing, up in the upper left-hand corner, I want you to click Times New Roman and 12. So all of your documents should be in Times New Roman, and they should be 12. Before I do that, one more thing, you can pull this down, make sure you're on a 2 for double spacing, and remove space after the paragraph. After that, this should be the appropriate name block on the left-hand side. You can include the schedule number for the class, and then you'll include the date of the current day. Okay, so go to the middle, have your title. So it can be analysis, Hamblin, so your title should indicate what you're writing about. So we do need to have, for MLA format, we do need to insert a page number. So we're going to go to Insert Page Number, top page, and to the right, put your last name. You're going to have to change the font on that. So change it to Times New Roman and 12. All right, so that's basically the name block and the heading of your paper. Okay, now a lot of you wrote signal phrase on your paper. So an appropriate signal phrase should have the title and the author. Okay, so remember, title, author, right? And that they're arguing, and then this would be followed by the claim and explanation of it. Okay, so in other words, Hamblin makes a claim of policy and then explain what that claim of policy is. Okay, for the MLA citation at the end, most of the articles that we're citing, some will be different, so you will have to adjust and you will need to look it up. But for the most part, for the next several weeks, we're going to be citing internet sources. And so these are really articles off of the internet. Okay, so smaller titles, the names of essays, okay, those are in quotation marks. The larger titles, right, the journal that it appears in, is going to be in italics. No more underlining in MLA. Since this is an internet source, you have to put the site sponsor. Okay, so who owns the Atlantic? The Atlantic Media Company does. When was this article published? Where did you get it from? Okay, so even if you printed it out, it's still web, and then the date that you downloaded it. Okay, if you have any questions about these, you can see me, but I am expecting you to know this, okay? So line spacing options, hanging indent, and this is really what that should look like. So overall format, this is how all of your citations should look. Anything after the first line should be indented. If it's an internet source, you've got your title, which is in quotes. The title of the larger source could be the title of a website in italics. And then the site sponsor, who owns that website. Something from the library is going to have a slightly different citation format because it is from somewhere else. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. But again, these are the very basics of the formatting for that.